Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to stop your Mac from turning on automatically. So step one, we need to apply yes. First, we need to open our terminal. So how to do this? Click on Finder, then click on Applications, scroll down to Utilities, and then look for Terminal. This is it. Double click it. As you see, it is open here. Now, to disable automatic startup, and I mean all automatic startup when the lid is open or when you connect to the power, the power cable. Open the terminal. You can, by the way, you can also, if you're not okay with opening your terminal from the Finder, you can simply look for it in the spotlight, just like this, and it will open the same way. Okay, the command that we will give to the terminal to disable automatic startup, all automatic startup, is this. As you see, it says sudo space nvram space BootPreference equal %00. Write it like this and hit enter. Here it needs fill in or enter your password. When you type your password, even if you don't see it, the characters type show up, it's working. Just write your password and hit enter. Now, this command is effective on modern MacBooks to prevent automatic boot up, allowing them to remain off until the power button is pressed. So no more automatic startup when you connect the power cable or when you open the lid or when you open your MacBook. Now, if you want to disable automatic startup only for lid opening, use this command, which is slightly different from the first one with the number at the end. Here it says 01, before it was saying 00. Hit enter. Now, since your password is already filled, no password required later. Same thing. Now, this is how to disable disable automatic startup for lid opening. You can also disable it only for power connection. So the third command is this one. At the end it says 02 instead of 01 or 00. By the way, I will leave you all of those terminal commands in this video description. If I forgot to do so, just let me know in the comments below. And this third command only stop the Mac from turning on when a charger is plugged in. Now, to enable default behavior or to revert to the default behavior, which is automatic startup, you can use this fourth command, which ends with 03. Now, and this is how to stop automatic. This is to stop your MacBook from turning on automatically when you open the lid or when you connect the power adapter. Now, there are also additional power settings like preventing unexpected wakes. So for this, go to Settings from here, System Settings. Then scroll down to Battery. Where is it? Battery. This is it. Then click on Options from here and set Wake for network access to Never. While sleeping, your Mac can receive incoming network traffic such as iMessage and other iCloud updates to keep your application. I'm not looking for waking my laptop to check for upcoming messages. So this is how to fully stop your Mac from turning on automatically before when you open the lid, when you connect the power adapter, or even for unexpected wakes during its sleep. And that was all for this tutorial. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.